Justin Ball, owner of HammerHead Showers, and in this video I want to talk to you about sustainability, something that we do take very seriously at our company. And it all starts with our products, making products that are built to last from stainless steel and brass. Yes, we do have some silicone, a little bit of plastic, but 95% plus of our components are built using the most durable materials, stainless steel and brass. And the areas we don't use stainless steel and brass, those are little tiny components like these flow regulators that we use, another sustainability component. Because water is an important portion of the sustainability equation. It's not just quality of materials, it's also making sure that we're not over delivering too much water and blowing up your hot water tank, but giving you the right amount. And that's what these NeoPearl flow regulators do. They give you the exact amount of water flow that we state on our packaging. And we even some of our products comply with the California Energy Commission low flow standards, and you can find those on our site. And then take a look at our packaging. You know, you go to a hardware store, one of the big box stores, and you see all this plastic clamshell packaging. We keep it simple. Look, we're not cheaping out. We're just doing what we think is right. And that's reducing our footprint with all these wasted materials. So we use recyclable cardboard packaging with a paper sticker showing our brand and the product type. Even the way we package the materials in the box, you know, we try to reduce as much plastic waste as we can. So wrapping the protective pieces, we're switching to making that wrapped with paper instead of plastic, and just overall making our brand as durable, sustainable as possible so that you get the most out of your money and you're not just wasting away through shower heads once every year. Fast fashion plumbing, say goodbye. HammerHead Showers, we're here to stay.